G'day, I'm Joseph Ayub. In 2017, I founded River Stone to bring back the delightful flavors of my childhood food. Starting with a small barramundi fish farm. I developed toxin-free fish feed and turned fish manure into a certified fertilizer for organic production called Swift Grow. Today, we use advanced technology to manage the farm efficiently and distribute Swift Grow worldwide. Now, let me show you how to use our product, Swift Grow. First, shake the bottle. Then, open the cap and add a minimum of 1 capful to a 9-liter watering can. Top up the same 9-liter watering can with water and apply directly to plant foliage and roots. A 9-liter final solution covers up to 10 square meters. Diluting Swift Grow in water activates the microorganisms, so apply without delay. Use up to a maximum of 5 capfuls per 9-liter. Benefits of using Swift Grow. Experience the difference with Swift Grow. Order now to have your plants experience the restored potent power of nature. Swift Grow, grow with confidence. Visit us at swiftgrow.com.au to discover why customers love Swift Grow.